To apply a color filter to your lock screen wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find wallpaper and style. Tap wallpaper and style and then tap the lock screen thumbnail. Now tap the effect button at the bottom of the screen and then swipe the screen to the left until you find colors effect. To change the color filter, tap colors icon at the bottom and then select the desired color. If you are happy with your selection, tap the back key twice and then tap done button to save the change. To see the result, go to your lock screen. As you can see, the selected color filter has been applied to your lock screen wallpaper. As a note, if your phone detects a significant object on your lock screen wallpaper, such as people or animal, then the color filter will be applied to the background only. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.